Welcome viewers to Software a software engineering academy. Today we will learn about startup filters in Primavera P6, user preferences settings in Primavera P6. So guys, if you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon, like, comment and share. Here we will open Primavera P6. You can see Primavera P6 on edit. We can go here in user preferences. On here in the last one you can see startup filters. So startup filters, I can explain you just easily that when you are starting any database, so there are a lot of projects in a database. Some companies have a lot of projects dealing with different level planning engineers. So you have to decide which position you are working. You know your position in which you are working, how many projects you are dealing with. So if your database have a lot of projects and you say that you are applying a filter to your current project or all projects, so it will be matter to your application usage. So you can read it, it's written here that it will take time, it will took longer to start if you change your setting to view all or no filters. So if you apply the filter, only current project data will be applied. Maybe you are not understanding correctly what I am saying. I will explain you deeply. For example, here I have a lot of projects here. If I collapse all and expand all, so you can see a lot of projects here. So when I go in the projects, when I go in the activities here and view user preferences, I prefer to show my all data for resources. First of all, I will see that what is current project data only. So here we will see, I have already told you when you are opening your database and your database have a lot of projects, so it will take time if you do not apply the filter. So it's applied right now, it do not take much time, the application runs smoothly, it don't take any time. But you know that if your database is bigger, then it will take time to load without filters. So here I will see how these filters are applied on resources, roles, OBS, activities and cost accounts. So here we go. So first of all, we will go here in the resources and we will see current project resources. Can you see here? Display only current project resources. So filter by, you can see all resources, all active resources, all resources and timesheet manager. So current project resources are applied here. We can see all active resources. So if we see all active resources are these one, all active resources. So also if you want to see your all database filters without filter all resources, so you can see all resources from here. There are a lot of resources in your database, so you can see your specific or your outer database, outer project resources you can see from here. So here if we go here in the roles, you can see the same, it's current project role, current project role only. So you can also filter by all role. So all roles you can see here. Also in the enterprise you can see OBS is the same, it's current project. We will go here in the filter by, we can see all OBS from here. For the same, we will go here enterprise and activity codes. So from here you can see only current project and you can filter by all values from here. For the cost accounts it's also same. You can see current project don't have any cost. So if you remove this one and go here, first of all I will apply my filter on cost accounts. So when I apply my filter on cost accounts, so here when we apply here this one, close and go in the enterprise here and cost accounts, you will see it will not appear here. Why it's not appearing? Because it's a startup filter when you start your database. So we will close this one and we will close the file and close the file now, and we will open my Primavera P6 again. Here when I open my Primavera P6, go enterprise again and cost accounts. Here you can see all cost accounts are showing here. So same when you go here in edit and user preferences, and I see other resources, for it's not showing for all database. You can see the same resources are only for current project. So if I go here in the user preferences and change it to view all data from here and close this one, and no, it is not showing till now. I will close the project, close the whole Primavera P6 file and open it again, and you can see the startup filter applies. So startup filter means when you start your database or run your database initially, it filters or not filters all your required resources, roles, OBS, activity codes and cost accounts. And if you required current filter, it will apply current filter. If you don't require any filter, it will remove all the filters. So if you remove all the filters, your database have a lot of projects and a lot of data, so it will take time to load that one. So here we have to check for resources. So all resources are shown here, and to check, second check is cost accounts. So all cost accounts are showing here. So user preferences, you now understand that if you view all your data without no filters, so you can show, and if you turn off and turn on it your system again, so you can see your data, your filter will be removed from your project. So this is our today's content. I hope guys you understand very well. So thanks for watching Softudemy. This is our today's content, startup filters. So if you still not subscribe my channel, subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon and like, comment and share. Keep watching Softudemy. We will meet in next video.